Welcome to another yummy edition of Cooking with Ayeme. Today we're going to learn how to make this okra fusion dish known as a Asepo. For this dish, you need your fresh okra cut up into different sizes or consistencies depending on your preference. You need your smoked catfish, cooked stockfish, grilled mackerel fish, fresh shrimps, palm oil, smoked prawns, ground crayfish, ground chili pepper, eru, seasoning cubes to taste, and ground habanero pepper, fresh kale or ugu leaves. And to a pot of boiling water, you want to add your freshly grounded habanero pepper and the dry pepper. Add the stockfish and the catfish. Give it a good stir and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. This soup cooks really fast, so you need to get all your ingredients together before you start. Add your mackerel fish at this point. And also you can add the shrimp at this point. And the smoked prawns can be added. Allow this to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Oh, smelling so good already. Oh my God. I can't wait to eat this up. So you want to add your ground crayfish, and begin to add the okra at this point. I tell you, this cooks really fast, so get yourself together before you start. Give it a good stir, a good but gentle stir. Okay, and I'm gonna add the other part of the okra, which is the one that I blended. You can see it really dry and kind of smooth. So you want to add this one last. So give it a good stir. We're almost done. Add the eru. It smells good already, but with this eru, it smells heavenly. Now you want to add the oil. Just a little bit of oil, as you can see. I don't put too much oil in my Asepo. You want to add your fresh ugu leaves or kale leaves at this time, and the seasoning cubes. And the soup is done. You can eat this with any kind of fufu, and if you're not sure where to get the fufu, you can get it from any African store if you're out of the African continent. And voila, all done. See you next week for another yummy edition.